A very good morning to all of you. So now today we'll be starting a new chapter in our course book, and that chapter is chapter number 4 about people. Okay, and every child of mine, they are going to use their first finger to point out the words that Pushpanjali ma'am is reading. Okay, and make sure that you are developing your reading habit by reading at least 4 to 5 lines daily. If you are going to develop this habit, it will improve your reading skill. Otherwise, definitely you'll read, but it will take time. Hana? It will take time. How to read fluently, it takes time, but that needs practice and hard work. So everyone has to do the hard work. Everyone has to read at least 4 to 5 lines daily, different 4 to 5 lines, having very small words. The length of the words is very short, so that you can understand the words, you can pronounce them correctly, and the fluency of the reading is maintained. Fine. So now, when Pushpanjali ma'am is reading out this chapter, every child is going to use their first finger by pinpointing the words that Pushpanjali ma'am is pronouncing, and try to remember. Otherwise, you can watch this video many times to know that what is the correct pronunciation of the words and how ma'am is reading this chapter. Okay, so now moving ahead, about people. Now there is a man sitting in the jet. Who is he? Who sits in the jet? Who flies the jet? Huh? Who is he? He is... Okay. Now first I am reading out from the first word. Okay. Which is written in green. So everyone is going to use their first finger, and I am going to read it very slowly so that you can also move your move your finger from one word to another very easily. There is a man sitting in the jet. Who is he? Okay, now ma'am is going to start reading the lines that are written in the black. Who is he? He is Mr. Pal. He is a pilot. See, is his jet go up in the sky. So, who flies the jet? A pilot flies the jet. And what is the name of the pilot in this chapter? Mr. Pal. So Mr. Pal is a pilot, and he flies his jet up in the sky. Okay. Now coming to the second picture and the second part. Who is she? She is Mrs. Puri. She is a police officer. She is at the school gate. Boys and girls like her. Okay. So now in the second picture we can see that there is a lady standing. So who is she? She is Mrs. Puri. She is a police officer. And where is she standing? She is standing at the school gate, and boys and girls like her. Okay. Now moving to the third picture, you can see that there is a tailor and a boy is standing in front of him. Who is he? He is Mr. Ali. He is a tailor. Please make a cab for me, Mr. Ali. So this boy is standing in front of a man who is having this sewing machine, and he is Mr. Ali, and he is a tailor, and that the boy is requesting Mr. Ali to make a cab for him. Okay, so what is the name of the pilot? Mr. Pal, and he flies the jet. What is the name of the police officer? Mrs. Puri, and she is standing at the school gate, and boys and girls like her. What is the name of the tailor? Mr. Ali, and that boy is asking or requesting Mr. Ali to make a cab for him. Okay, now turn the page. Who is she? She is Miss Joy. She is a baker. She has a big shop. She makes cakes and biscuits. I like her chocolate cake. Let's buy one. So who is she? She is Miss Joy, and she is a baker. What is a baker? A bakery is a bakery is a shop where you can get your cakes, pastries, bread, muffins, and everything. So she is a baker, and she has a big shop, and she makes cakes and biscuits, and her chocolate cake is liked by the liked very much. So it said that let's buy one. Fine. So the name of the baker is Miss Joy, and she is having a big shop. She makes cakes and biscuits, and her chocolate cake is very yummy. Okay, so children, once again I am telling you, if you want to improve your reading skill, then you are going to work hard for it. Read at least 4 to 5 sentences in English daily. It's only when you read, your reading habit will be developed and your reading skill will improve, right? And everything takes time. With time, everything with time, you will be reading very fluently, but everything takes time. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.